Hey guys, so I have $25 and I need some new beauty supplies, so I thought I'd hit up Five and Below and see what I can get for $25. Glitter? Ew, glitter on your face. Got glitter. Alright, so I do need some new emery boards. I got them for $3. It's pretty good. Okay, I need a new makeup bag because mine is gross. 4 things I use, 27 things I don't use. That's about right. Okay, so you want, oh, they have eyeshadow and stuff. So. Okay, this is tons of stuff to choose from. Probably need some like smoky eye stuff. I don't have any going out makeup. Oh, those are pretty nice. Okay, what else we have here? Fierce, define it. Oh, contour. That one's kind of messed up. Contour. Check the colors on the back. So this I've actually gotten before, and I need some more of the highlighting powder. It's actually really pretty, so I can get some more of that. What else do I want? Oh, maybe some more mascara. Everything's like $5. This is great. Smudge proof. I need that. I rub my eyes like crazy. Okay. I need a new eyebrow pencil. The thing I picked out was this makeup bag because, as I said before, the one I have is pretty dirty, pretty gross right now. So this one says contents, 4 things I use, 27 things I don't use, which is pretty accurate when it comes to my day-to-day makeup routine right now. So I got that. Okay, so the next thing I got was this Wet n Wild. It's a shimmer palette. I don't use a lot of blush or anything because my cheeks are pretty red as it is. So the shimmer would be nice, I think, just to like kind of go over, just nice and shimmery like that. Okay. So the next thing I got was Wet n Wild, just a black felt tip eyeliner because this is one of my favorite eyeliners and I used mine until it was all dry. So this is really nice because it's easy to control kind of like where the line is going. So that's really nice like that. Okay, so the next thing I got was this Beauty Intuition Moonlight eyeshadow palette, and the reason I got it is because look at it. I mean, it is beautiful. We've got I think it may be different like moons going on here. They're really pretty and I was drawn to it. So let's check out what they look like without the packaging. We got some shimmer going on there. All right, let's try the blue. Oh, that shows up so well. Got some sky dust, clips. That's nice. Like gray blue going on. Pandora's kind of like purpley. It's like a little more shimmery. We've got a Nebula, which is like pinker shimmer. Some gray. And then little tiny little yellow and like red orange there. So that's actually really cool. I'm definitely going to use that. And then I got these makeup brushes because mine are falling apart right now and these are just so pretty. So I wanted to get some new ones here to get them out of the package. They're glittery. Oh, they're soft. I love soft brushes. So it's really soft. And we got like nice, kind of like one for a line there. Eyeshadow brush here. I can use that with my new eyeshadows. Super glittery. Perfect. It matches all the other stuff that I picked today. So then I picked up this glitter mask, which I had been looking at earlier. I'm not gonna do it right now because it seems like it might be a little messy and I gotta wait 15 minutes with it on. So yeah, it just says it's gonna be real sparkly. So I'm pretty excited about it. Some Pocky because they put it near the checkout and I love Pocky. And that's pretty much all the reason that I need for that. Thanks so much for coming shopping with us, guys. We went to Five Below. We got what we could get for $25, and honestly, there was so much to choose from. I could have easily spent $100 or more. I went with like glitter stuff because that is what caught my eye. I love sparkle, I love glitter, and I can't wait to try this stuff out, use it in my day-to-day or like going out. So if you enjoyed this video, we're going to be putting out a lot more. Be sure to subscribe, follow. We'll put out new videos every Tuesday and Saturday. So follow the YouTube channel. If you want to follow me or see anything of mine, I have an Instagram. It'll also be linked below.